Do you have an F-150 with a 543 valve and hate where the oil filter's at? Well, then this is the video for you. So oil filter relocate on a 543 valve. We're going to be talking about that today. I've already installed mine and I wasn't able to find very many videos online about it, so I figured I'd make one myself to kind of show some other people how you go about doing it. So I ordered a kit online from Bull Boost Performance. There's a couple others out there. MMR has one that's really nice, but it's kind of pricey for what it is. So what I did is I bought the Bull Boost Performance one, and it came unlabeled, and then I used the pictures of the MMR to determine my in and outs of my cooler, or where my oil flow goes. So I'm going to show y'all kind of how we ran everything and mounted it, and it's going to help a lot with the oil changes and making the filter easy to access. Because if anybody has one, you've changed your oil on one of these, you know that the oil filter is right up by the fan and it's a pain to get to. But this kit will make it substantially easier to do your oil changes. So we're going to get under the truck. I'm going to show you where you mount to the block, how you run the lines, where I chose to mount my filter. And mine's going to look a little different than if you were to do it, because I added an oil cooler to mine. So my lines are going to be ran slightly different, but we're going to go over that and get into it. All right, so we're underneath the truck now. This is the adapter that goes under the side of the block. This replaces the factory oil filter housing and allows you to hook AN lines and the lower radiator hose to it to be able to run the lines to relocate the filter. Typically, the filter will be mounted right here in this area here, and the fan shroud will be in the way. I don't have the fan shroud anymore. I have converted to electric fans, but that is where the housing mounts. There's and all the fittings screw into it, and then you have to come up with some type of adapter to adapt the oil filter to the right thread. I got my fittings at Lowe's, just some basic MPT plumbing fittings. And then we have two lines that come out, both of which are AN10, and will then run to your oil filter, in which I have mounted to the frame. As you can see, the line runs from here along and back into the engine. This is your outlet line, so this is out of the engine, out of the oil pump, up over into the oil filter. Then you'll have a second line in which, if you're not adding a cooler, this line here would run directly back to the other fitting. And then I mounted mine pretty easily. I drilled some holes, put a couple rib nuts in, and bolted my oil filter up. And the oil filter kit comes with I believe it's a 13/16 by 16 thread. So this is the oil filter I opted to use by Wix. I just wanted a little bit bigger of a filter to hold a little bit more oil capacity, because I do a lot of towing with this truck. So that is what I did to mount the oil filter relocate. It's actually a pretty simple process. You can find some pretty good videos of people making these lines, and so you can make the AN lines. Ordered all of my AN lines from Evil Energy, and I got the ones that are PTFE on the inside. They'll hold up a little better with oil and heat. So this is what the oil filter relocate looks like. It's a pretty simple process, just so you can see kind of how to mount it, how to run it, because I couldn't find any videos online. And this just kind of sums it up and shows it. So kind of just a quick summary on how we put that oil filter relocate kit on. I should have filmed the process and showed it a little bit better, but hopefully this gives you a pretty brief idea on kind of where to go with some of the stuff, because I didn't know exactly where I was going to mount it before, how I was going to run the lines, how they were going to clear the lower radiator hose, and seeing it now would have been beneficial to me before. So just kind of uploading this to help somebody out. Any questions, leave them down in the comments, and thanks for watching.